Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing my HelloFresh unboxing today. Thank you for the free box, my friend at work. Okay, so I ordered, HelloFresh is a subscription box that sends you food, recipes, and I think pretty much all the ingredients to cook it. And I'm super excited. And it came at the doorstep. I was asleep, didn't even realize, but it's really well packed. So I picked 3 recipes: classic beef tacos, crispy Parmesan chicken, ooh, and what is this? Steakhouse pork chops. I am really excited, and it sends you all of the ingredients that you need to cook the recipe, and then the recipe is on the back. This is a new format for them, and I really like it. Okay. America's #1 meal kit. It tells you all about their program. This was a free box, so I'm really, with Parmesan cheese crisps. I'm just doing the unboxing. I will take a video of the actual cooking part later. It's really well packed. I'm going to try and show this without showing off my address. Oh, the box is actually really heavy, but it's packed with sealed stuff to keep everything cold, because it does ship like in a day or two, and you need to make sure it's fresh when it gets to you, even if you have to have it set outside a little bit. They've done it a little bit differently. They're packaging their things a little bit differently since the last time I had a box, which was quite a few years ago. Sorry, was that fuzz in my hair? Sorry. As you can see, I did just wake up. This is the Parmesan, the crispy Parmesan chicken. So all the items for that recipe should be in here. The smaller items. Usually they pack the meats underneath a layer of giant ice. So we're just going to open this real quick. Resealable tape. Yes. So these are all the veggies and ingredients. The sour cream. And they send you enough for the recipe, so don't miss that. Oh, green onions. Scallions, as some people call them. I've heard it both ways. Panko breadcrumbs for the chicken. Roasted garlic herb spreadable butter. Ooh. Excited. Fresh green beans with their HelloFresh symbol. I know everything's backwards, so I'm using the forward-facing camera so I can see what I'm doing. The lemon that you'll need. The hot smoked paprika. Whoa, okay. Parmesan. Oh, this is so nice. And the Israeli couscous. Okay, put this all back in the bag really quickly. This is what I love about it, is they send you the recipe and they don't expect you to have like all these random things in your pantry. They provide you with the items so that you don't have to continue to go grocery shopping once you get the bag. Because the point is to give you everything that you need to create 3 wonderful meals. Now, the plan that I got is 3 meals cooking for 2 people. So there's going to be extra, and so basically I'll have 6 meals. This is the the classic beef tacos. I'm moving kind of quick because I don't want this video to be hecka long. And also because it's all so cold and I want to get it in the fridge. Okay. Cilantro, one of my favorite herbs. Tortillas, 6 tortillas. Really wish they were keto friendly, but okay. Oh, this is chipotle powder. Oh, that's neat. This is so cool. Monterey Jack cheese, a lime, a red onion, a tomato, aroma tomato. 2 things of sour cream. Yes. I really love that they give you every little thing. I really do. Red gold tomatoes, tomato paste. And another packet of seasoning, which is Warm and Smoky Southwest Spice Blend. Awesome! Again, I'm doing this quickly so I can get these things in the fridge because they are all really cold. They came about 3 hours ago. And I was asleep. And I opened, and I knew it was coming today, so when I got up for another reason, I checked my email and tracked the delivery, and it was on my doorstep. So, Steakhouse pork chops. Now, these are the ingredient bags for the sides, not the actual meat. I'll show you guys in a second. The first box I ordered from them was tuna steaks, green beans. Okay, just really quickly. 2 things of sour cream. Beef broth, maybe? A beef, it's like a jelly or juicy thing. It's probably like a beef bouillon or a beef like au jus sauce or something. I have no idea. Bold and smoky steak spice. Oh, a shallot. And and a lemon. And 4 potatoes. 4. I'm not going to take all 4 out of the bag. That just doesn't make any sense at all. Okay. Oh, don't drop the shallot. This is probably like a beef flavor packet or something. You know, like a bouillon cube in water. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I need to put this over here. Okay. Then you have, don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. And this huge thing of ice. Recycle me, cut a corner, empty non-toxic contents into trash, recycle plastic pack. This is, that was too cold to hold. Ground beef, 85% lean ground beef. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Putting those right on top of the ice. Boneless pork chop. Ooh. I think that's it. Yep. And then another layer of ice. Whew. Okay, so these are going to go in the fridge first, and then I will, well, let me finish. Okay, so now I have all the ingredients. This week, oh, today's Wednesday. I'm off Friday and Saturday, so what I'll do is I'll cook Friday, one of the meals depending on how I feel, and then cook the other 2 on Friday because I don't like to wait to cook them too long. Plus, I have limited time off to spend cooking and filming. So anyway, I'm super excited. I'm super, super excited. My meat's sliding off the ice. I'm super excited. I am so thankful, and I can't wait to eat. I'm actually really hungry right now. So I would cook right now, but I don't want to film because I'm not ready. I'm not ready yet. I just woke up. Yes, this is actually just waking up here. Actually, it's really cute. These products are really nice. Anyway, completely different subject. Thank you, Tam, for the box. This was awesome. HelloFresh, you can get them as often as you like. I think the minimum is weekly. I'm sorry, the maximum is every week. And you can choose the size of the box. You can do a family meal. You can do 3 meals for 2 people, which is what I did. You can also do a larger box, and there are different recipes you can choose from. So it's really a nice little feature, and it's good for people who are who like to cook but are running out of ideas of things to cook. So obviously, I wouldn't have necessarily put these things together. I mean, I would probably order them in a restaurant, but I wouldn't know exactly how to put them together at my house. I mean, you could probably whip some stuff up, but this gives you everything you need to get the flavors you want, to get the desired calorie content, and also to get the outcome that you're looking for as far as trying something new and different to you. And that way it can also be a recipe you can continue to do later on. Okay, oops, oh, my meat fell. Okay, gotta go. Pictures again. I think the pictures are really awesome. The recipe is super easy to read on the back, and it gives you your prep time, your total cooking time, and your calories. So this meal itself is only 640 calories with the ingredients that you have based on what their recipe is. So this is also a good way for me to keep count of the calories that I'm ingesting while I'm trying this new thing to lose weight. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. Peace.